Are you ready to make a move on Chevron stock? Get ready for an in-depth analysis of Chevron. We initially released our report on Tuesday, October 24, 2023, but now we're back with even more details that will blow your mind. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our revolutionary AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the incredible power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Hey there! Get ready for some eye-opening insights. Brace yourself as we dive into the world of stocks and trading. Today, we're going to talk about Chevron, one of the most talked about stocks in recent times. Picture this, it's the year 2023 and our system has just ranked Chevron as a sell candidate. But what does that mean exactly? Well, our system has given Chevron a score of -3.06, indicating that it may not be the best time to invest in this stock. Now, let's analyze Chevron's performance during this period. Hold on tight. Brace yourself for some shocking news. The stock experienced a loss of -2.51% during this time. Yes, you heard that right. To put it into perspective, that's an average loss of -1.25% per day since Chevron was listed as a sell candidate. Brace yourselves, because there's some exciting news about the stock we've been following. It seems like the stock has broken the weak rising short-term trend down. Now, this might indicate a slower rate of rising, but it could also be a subtle warning about a possible trend shift. Hold on tight, because things are about to get interesting. Let's dive into the numbers. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 4.07% change over the next 3 months. Imagine the possibilities. You could be looking at a return between 7.65% and a whopping 14.96%. It's time to pay attention and seize this opportunity. But that's not all. The 12-month trend is here to give us a glimpse into the future. Brace yourself for a -10.70% change over the next 12 months. Yes, you heard it right, the market is predicting a potential downturn. However, don't lose hope just yet. There's still a chance for a comeback with a potential return between -20.20% and -3.38%. Keep an eye on that price range of $125 to $151.35 after a year. Exciting times lie ahead. Hold on to your seats, folks. We've got an exciting update for you about Chevron. Brace yourselves, because the Chevron stock price experienced a wild ride on Tuesday, October 24, 2023. It took a tumble of 2.51%, going from $160.68 to $156.65. And guess what? This marks the 3rd consecutive day of decline. Talk about a roller coaster. But wait, there's more. During the last trading day, the stock swung between a low of $156.47 and a high of $161.08, showcasing a 2.95% fluctuation. Whoa, talk about volatility. Although the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, it's still down by a staggering 5.94% for this period. It's like a tug of war between the bulls and the bears, and we're witnessing it firsthand. And here's a red flag: volume has surged by 1 million shares on the last day, but on declining prices. This might be an early warning sign, indicating that the risk could increase slightly over the next few days. Better buckle up, investors. Let's dive into the numbers. A whopping 18 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.76 billion. That's a whole lot of action happening in the market. Now, let's zoom out and take a wider view. Over the past 52 weeks, Chevron stock has seen some extreme highs and lows. The highest price reached a staggering $189.68, while the lowest dipped to $149.74. Currently, the price is 17.41%, or $33.03, below the 52-week high of $189.68, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, waiting to see if it'll soar to new heights or take a dive. Brace yourselves for some exciting news about analyst ratings. In a recent report on Thursday, October 12, 2023, Exane BNP Paribas upgraded Chevron and gave it an outperform grade. This is a significant development for Chevron. But wait, there's more. On Wednesday, August 16, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded Chevron and gave it a buy grade. This shows a growing confidence in CVX's potential. And that's not all. Another major player in the market, Goldman Sachs, also upgraded Chevron on Monday, July 31, 2023, giving it a buy grade. This is a clear indication of CVX's promising prospects. But hold on, there's more to this story. UBS, a well-known financial institution, gave Chevron a buy grade with a hold action on Thursday, July 20, 2023. This suggests a cautious optimism surrounding Chevron. Now, let's dive into another update. On Tuesday, July 11, 2023, Mizuho Securities provided a neutral grade for Chevron with a hold action. This indicates a balanced view on CVX's performance. Are you curious about Chevron stock? Well, hold on tight because we've got some exciting news for you. Brace yourselves because analysts are giving Chevron stock a jaw-dropping strong buy rating. But wait, there's more. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both rated as strong buy as well. Now, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. So, keep that in mind. Brace yourself for some exciting news about Chevron stock signals. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has just given a buy signal, indicating a potential upward trend. But hold on, there are also some negative signals that could impact the short-term outlook. Both short and long-term moving averages are showing sell signals, painting a less optimistic picture for the stock. What's more, the long-term average is currently higher than the short-term average, indicating a general sell signal. Keep an eye out for potential resistance levels at $165.02 and $165.94 if the stock experiences any upward corrections. Breaking through these levels could trigger buy signals, so it's a crucial moment for investors. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 7.36% decrease in the stock price. And there might be more to come as the stock seeks a new bottom pivot. Pay attention to the volume, which rose during yesterday's price drop. This could be an early warning sign, suggesting the need for closer monitoring of the stock's performance. Welcome, fellow investors. Today, I'm going to share with you some fascinating signals that could help you make better investment decisions. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive in. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal. It's a buy signal, indicating a potential opportunity in the market. Next up, we have the pivot signal. It's a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Keep an eye on this one. Now, let's talk about Bollinger. This signal gave a buy indication just 1 day ago. Exciting, isn't it? Moving on to the short-term moving average signal. It's a sell signal that popped up 3 days ago. Stay vigilant. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Pay attention to this. The relation between the short and long moving averages. It presented a buy signal 11 days ago. Intriguing, right? Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Brace yourselves for some interesting insights. The short moving average on the 12-month chart signaled a sell position 3 days ago. Keep this in mind. Similarly, the long-term moving average on the 12-month chart also gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Interesting, huh? And finally, the relation between the short and long moving averages on the 12-month chart indicated a buy signal a whopping 52 days ago. Let that sink in. If you want to discover more exciting signals like these, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Don't miss out on any opportunities. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Chevron. When it comes to support levels, there isn't much backing from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if certain conditions align, the stock may face a rough patch in the near future. However, let's not forget that Chevron generally exhibits controlled movements and boasts good liquidity. This translates to a relatively low risk associated with investing in this stock. In terms of recent performance, the stock had a price range of $4.61 between its high and low in the last trading day, representing a 2.95% fluctuation. Over the past week, it has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.04%. Are you ready to uncover the potential trading levels for Chevron? But before we jump into that, let's explore some essential fundamental data that you need to know. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is critical as it measures the company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Now, pay attention to this. A relatively low P/E ratio might indicate a low expectation for the company's future or even an undervalued stock, which could be an exciting buying opportunity. In other news, mark your calendars for the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023, set to be released on October 27, 2023. Now, here's the crucial part: analysts' consensus estimates are currently at $3.58. These numbers have the power to significantly impact stock prices, so keep a close watch on them. Welcome back, traders. Today, let's dive into the exciting world of day trading levels for Chevron. Picture this: an upward trend is in play. What's our first target? It's none other than $160.68. If you haven't jumped on the Chevron train yet, hold your horses. Wait for this level to be breached before making your move. But hey, if you're already riding the wave, this could be a golden opportunity for some swing trading action. But here's a word of caution. Brace yourself, because there's no safety net of accumulated volume below. That means, under certain conditions, the stock could take a sudden plunge. It's like walking on thin ice, my friend. Only experienced traders who know how to navigate such situations should consider placing their bets. Are you ready to learn about Chevron's performance and insider trades? Get ready for some exciting insights. Let's dive into the combined average rating for Chevron from multiple analyst sources, which is a strong buy. But wait, there's more. We have some recent insider trades to share with you. On August 25, 2023, Warner Cynthia J made a bold move by conducting an insider buy of 24 shares of Phantom stock. And that's not all. On the same day, Mormon Charles W. followed suit with an insider buy of 282 shares of Phantom stock. Let's not forget about Houston Marilyn A., who also showed confidence in Chevron by conducting an insider buy of 242 shares of Phantom stock on August 25, 2023. But here's the real kicker. On August 11, 2023, Breber Pierre R. made a significant insider buy of 25,000 shares of common stock. However, Breber Pierre R. didn't stop there. They also conducted an insider sell of 25,000 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, on the same day. Want to know the insider power? Based on the 100 most recent trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 27.885. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased an impressive 531,785 shares and sold 268,503 shares. That's quite a significant activity. Hold on tight. We're about to uncover some fascinating information about this stock, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you something that might leave you a bit concerned. Our evaluation of this stock is on the negative side, and guess what? No stop loss has been set. Are you wondering if Chevron stock is a good buy? Well, let's take a closer look. Despite some positive trends, the Chevron stock is showing several negative signals. But here's the interesting part: our analysis suggests that the current price is actually undervalued. Now, let's talk about what to expect in the near future. On Wednesday, October 25, we anticipate Chevron to open up with a gain of $1.42 and start trading at $158.07. Are you ready to take on the exciting world of trading? But hold on, before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know. Trading can be a roller coaster ride, with high risks and potential losses. That's why it's crucial to seek guidance from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide valuable information, it's important to remember that it shouldn't be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using our platform, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions and the risks involved. So, buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating journey, but always remember to tread cautiously and seek expert advice. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks? We've got an incredible view to share with you today. But we want to hear from you too. Do you agree or disagree with our analysis? We're eager to know, so drop a comment below and let's start a discussion. And hey, what's your target for this stock? We're all ears. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest trading tips. Wishing you nothing but success in your trading journey. Have an absolutely marvelous day from the entire team here at StockInvest.